Okay, I'm going to be striking another one off my list. Perfect night for it. You see, I'm sitting here. This is July 8th, and summertime, and I'm bundled up. My son is here, and he has this thing about air conditioning that if you're cold, you can always bundle up, layer up, but there's only so much you can take off if you're hot. So the AC is blowing, and it's blowing right down above my head. So I'm bundled up for now. But anyway, getting back to the reason for being here, doing another Dimash. And this is a song that he did, and I am not even going to try to pronounce the Kazakh word for it, but it basically means my dear, or the apple of my eye. The song itself was created or written about 30 years ago. And it's kind of a twofold story. We have a poet who wrote a poem, a very famous Kazakh poet. I will give more information in the description. But he created this song for his daughter who was getting married. And it's, all of his feelings he put into it, about the life of his daughter with her new groom, and sharing with her what, the meaning of going forward with this new life that she was going to be partaking in. And he asked a friend of his who was also in the arts, who was a composer, to write the music to go with the poem. And the composer said that when he was writing the music to go with this poem, he was thinking of his only sister, who had not had a chance to get married because she had died at the age of 19. And he thought about what his father would have felt if she was preparing to be married. So we've got kind of a dual thing here. The poet writing the words about his daughter preparing to leave home to cross the new threshold into a different family, and the composer composing in memory of his sister who did not live to see a wedding. So there's a lot of sorrow in it and so forth on that. But we also then have, in our modern setting, we have Dimash giving his interpretation to this. So I am going to go ahead and we are going to listen to his interpretation of this beautiful song.
Qaragym сұлулық осындай болады екен, бір басқа армансыз қонады екен. Адамдар өмірге қонақ екен, шынымен бұл дүние шолақ екен. Қарағым-ай, қиялап үзіліп қарадым-ай, қараған қандай сұлу жанарың-ай. iken Жолыңнан seni kim тосады екен Бұл көңіл неліктен босады екен Бұл тағдыр seni кімге қосады екен Қарағым қиылып үзіліп қарадың Қараған қандай сұлу жанарыңа Қарағым ай бұл өмір осылай өтеді екен Сүймесең дүние бекер екен Парақтап жинасаң бар ғұмырым бір сүйген күніңе ай жете ме екен Қарағым ай қиялап үзіліп қарадың Қараған қандай сұлу жанарыңа Қарағым ай қиялап үзіліп қарадың Қараған қандай сұлу жанарыңа Қараған қандай сұлу
Okay, and one thing that I also learned on this, and I said I am recording this on the morning of July 8th, 2025. The composer of the music, one of Dimash's individuals that he considered a teacher, and Dimash sang this song for his anniversary concert that they had for him. And I believe that somewhere out there there's a video of this. I will have to search it out. But I discovered that the composer passed away on July 9th, 2020. So we're coming up to the anniversary of his death. So it's, a bit of a coincidence that this one is the one that I happened to pull up to go over tonight. But just reading some of the reviews regarding that concert, I see that upon hearing Dimash perform his composition, that the composer stood up and gave Dimash a standing ovation of it and hugged him, told him that he had really interpreted the song the way that he had dreamed for it to be interpreted. So a real plus for Dimash. I'm going to see if I can find that one, and if I do find it, I will put a link for it in the description as well. But that is going to be it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this and my ramblings that went along with it. Have a good one, everybody, and peace.